What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Remind Me of Summer by Juice WRLD. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play this song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and you're going to capo up to the first fret. It only uses 3 different chords that just repeat throughout the entire song, and as always, if you need the chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. First chord you need is going to be B minor. It's going to be 0, 2, 4, 4, 3, 2. Nothing on the low E string, bar the entire second fret on the starting on the A string with your index finger, and then ring finger is going to go 4th fret on your D string, pinky finger 4th fret G string, middle finger on the 3rd fret of your B string. Then you're going to go G major, which is 3, 2, 0, 0, 0, 3. Ring finger on the low E on your 3rd fret, middle finger 2nd fret A string, pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the high E. And finally E minor, it's 0, 2, 2, 0, 0, 0, middle finger 2nd fret A string, ring finger 2nd fret D string. Once you get the chords down, all you need is your strumming pattern. You're going to be palm muting through these chords and you're going to be playing them in counts of 4. Your B minor is going to be 2 counts of 4. Your G is going to be 2 counts of 4, and your E minor is going to be twice as long at 4 counts of 4. Now what you're doing is you'll be palm muting the 1, 2, and the 4 of each count. You're going to put the fleshy part of your hand on the bridge of the guitar where you get this punchy muted sound. If it's too far forward, it'll be too muted. You won't be able to hear the notes, but if it's too far back, it won't be muted enough. So find the sweet spot where it's punchy, but you can still hear the notes. And you're going to be playing 1, 2, just on down strums, and then you're going to strum open on 3, and then mute on 4 again. So down, 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 palm mute, open, palm mute. Then you go to G, same thing. Minor, remember twice as long, 4 counts of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now, the way the giveaways are going to work is each month I'm going to pick 2 winners. One is going to receive a guitar accessories kit that has a capo, a guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need in there as a beginner. And the second winner is going to win a free t-shirt from my Billy Schultz Music merch site. And then once the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'm going to be picking one of you lucky winners to receive a free brand new acoustic guitar. Now, all you have to do to enter the giveaways is like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and leave a comment down below for a song that you want me to teach you on guitar. Now, turning on notifications is extremely important because each month I'm going to be live streaming the monthly giveaways, and then once I do the guitar giveaway, I'm going to live stream that as well, and to get notified, you gotta have those notifications turned on. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at billyshultzmusic. The more that I see you guys, the more it's going to increase your chances of winning one of these prizes. Thank you guys so much. I can't say it enough. I appreciate all the support and I appreciate all the love, and I can't wait to give away these prizes. So keep liking, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications, keep putting those comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.